Last month, my marketing agency generated over $400,000 in revenue by creating social media content for small businesses. And now we're doing this using a new free tool that takes less than 5 minutes per post. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Take a look at this Instagram carousel I made for a realtor in Atlanta and this infographic that explains how to maximize home value. I made both of these in under 5 minutes using a simple tool called Nano Banana. No Canva, no design skills, no paying a graphic designer. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do the same, even if you've never touched a design tool in your life. Here's what I'm going to cover. First, I'll show you exactly how to create high quality images in just a few clicks. Then I'll show you how this turns into a simple, scalable service that anyone, even with no experience, can offer. All right, so first, let's answer the question, what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is Google Gemini's new image creation engine. Think of it like this. Regular Gemini is great at words, and Nano Banana is great at turning words into polished graphic designs. What makes Nano Banana different from most other image tools out there is that it understands layout, hierarchy, and visual balance, not just pretty pictures. It already has an idea of where headlines should go, how much text belongs on a slide, or how to visually guide someone's eye. That's normally the job of a designer, and now you've got one for free in your pocket with Nano Banana. Other AI image models on the market today either take too long to produce images or struggle to create good graphics. Take a look at this, for example. I asked ChatGPT to create an Instagram infographic for a realtor, and here's what I got. Now, this graphic is actually not bad, but when I used the same prompt with Nano Banana Pro, I got a much better output. The second image was generated 2 times faster, offers a better explanation, and very clear visuals. But the magic in all of this is how you actually prompt and customize it to each business. So let me show you how to do this, starting with step 1, creating Instagram carousels. But real quick, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is a licensed tax professional and the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 Fastest Growing Companies, Gold High Level Software Award, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you. Because the truth is, there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win. And sharing this knowledge does nothing to impact me, but it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, now back to step 1, designing carousels. I'm going to show you my favorite way to create social media carousels without designing anything manually. And as you're watching this, I want you to think about real businesses like a local gym, a med spa, a realtor, a roofer, a dentist, and so on. Because every one of those businesses already wants carousel content, but they don't want to make it themselves, which presents an opportunity for you to make it for them with these quick, easy steps. Step 1, use a structured prompt. If creating the right prompt is where you've gotten stuck in the past, or if you've never used one and don't even know where to begin in writing one, you're in luck because I already have one that works extremely well. And before you start trying to scribble it down from my screen, you can copy and paste it from the description below. Now, I know this prompt looks long, but listen, all you have to do is copy it and edit a couple of simple fields to cater it to your specific business. Here's what you need to edit. First, the title, which is the main hook of the carousel. I'm going to pretend I'm a realtor for our example here. So if I'm a realtor, we can title this one, 5 Things Every First-Time Homebuyer Should Know Before Buying. Whatever industry you're creating content for, you want the title to do the heavy lifting. It should create curiosity, pain, or desire in relation to your offerings because those are the emotions that make people swipe. Next, fill in your target audience. This helps shape the style and tone. So for our realty example, we can say first-time homebuyers in Atlanta, Georgia. And for added context, fill in the exact niche you're creating content for, like business, health, real estate, fitness, etc. We'll put real estate for ours. This is important because Nano Banana doesn't just change the colors based on this, it changes the vibe, like corporate versus casual, educational versus promotional, playful versus serious, and so on. Next, you want to edit the number of slides. Always account for 1 intro slide, your content slides, and 1 closing slide. Since we're sharing 5 things in the content slides, for our example, I'll put down that we want 7 slides. Then you want to input the aspect ratio or size you want your post to be. 4 to 5 works best for Instagram. And lastly, you can fill out the text per slide. This one is optional. If you already have the text you want to put on the slides, then you can paste it here. If not, leave it blank and Gemini will generate it for you. This is huge for beginners who want to take advantage of the power of AI but don't know where to start, because by using this prompt, you're not stuck staring at a blank page wondering what to say. Gemini fills in the gaps for you. So now that you've got that filled out, copy the entire prompt and follow me over to step 2, where we're going to generate image ready prompts in Gemini. First, open Google Gemini, paste the prompt you just made and hit send. Gemini will then generate individual image prompts for each slide, optimized specifically for Nano Banana. A lot of people skip this step, and that's why their AI images look random or super AI-ish. We're doing it the smart way. Now, in step 3, we're going to create the images with Nano Banana. Copy the prompts Gemini just gave you and open a new chat in Gemini. Make sure you select the banana icon so that it knows you want it to create images. Paste the prompt for slide 1 and hit send. A few seconds later, you've got a clean professional carousel slide. Now, all you have to do is just repeat the process for the remaining slides. So now just paste the slide 2 prompt and hit generate, paste the slide 3 and hit generate, and so on and so forth until you have all of the images for the carousel. If you want to brand it, you can edit the initial prompt to be more specific, like adding colors, logo, username, and so on. At this point, most people have a wait, that's it moment. The answer is yes, that's it. That's all there is to it. You've got beautiful graphics for your business with 0 Canva templates, 0 money spent on design, and without fiddling with an AI prompt for 45 minutes. Now, I know that was super easy, so let's take it one level further. I'm going to show you how to create infographics just as easily. Infographics are gold for educational posts and authority building, which is important because statistically, people need to trust your brand before they feel comfortable and confident enough to buy from it. Authority building helps establish that brand consumer trust. That's why infographics do especially well for businesses that need to explain concepts better in order for people to buy. And again, businesses need content like this. They just don't want to design them or don't have the time to. So here's what you do. Step 1, use my infographic prompt. Again, I already have this prompt dialed in for you. It's pasted in the description below. You just have to fill in the title, target audience, and aspect ratio, and that's it. So keeping with our real estate agent example, we could say how to get top dollar out of your home for the title, homeowners looking to sell their house for the target, and the same ratio of 4 to 5. Copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, and hit send to get our image generation prompt. Step 2, generate the image. We're going to take the image prompt Gemini just gave us, copy it, and paste it back into Gemini the same way we did before. But this time, before sending, remove the first few lines so that the prompt starts with create. Then you can hit send. And just like that, you have a finished infographic. A beautiful infographic with no designer feedback back and forth, no revisions, no waiting on anyone else, just great output. So at this point, you know how to create graphics like this for any industry on demand, but here's why having this skill really matters. The majority of small businesses out there fall into one or all of these categories. They know they should post on social media, but they don't know what to post, don't have time to design anything, and or don't really want to learn Canva if we're being honest. What they do want is peace of mind and social media content done for them that converts. They want to know someone's handling this for me. And to put this into further perspective, think about it this way. They don't wake up thinking, I want better carousel designs. They wake up thinking, I need more leads, but I have 0 time, experience, or both to handle social media. That's where the opportunity happens for your new skill set to turn into a business. So on that note, let's talk about how to make money with Nano Banana. Once you can create carousels, infographics, and other social media images, the next step is to figure out the delivery of those images, and that's where High Level comes in. So here's what you need to do. First, you'll need to create an account with High Level, and since I use this software to manage my entire marketing agency, I created a partnership that gets you an exclusive 30-day free trial when you use my link, which is in the description below. And in addition to the free trial, you'll also get access to my AI agency blueprint course for free, which shows you step-by-step how to implement the services we're talking about today and start your own software business as a beginner. And the best part is, if you test it out and love it, then it's only $97 per month to continue using it. Now, let me show you why I love it so much. First, log into High Level, click Marketing, and then Social Planner, and you can view any social media posts you've made either in the list view like this or the calendar view. The Social Planner lets you schedule posts across platforms, manage multiple accounts, and even set up evergreen content that reposts automatically. If it's your first time, you'll need to connect your client's social media accounts, so just click the plus socials button and you can do that here first. Then to create a new post, you just hit New Post, select which platforms you want to publish this to, and if you want to customize your post per platform. Upload your creative and caption, and then you can either publish now, schedule it in advance, or set it up as a recurring post like we talked about. Now, you have enough in your toolkit to offer a monthly service to business owners, but I will add that content creation and scheduling is really just the tip of the iceberg. You can go so much deeper with high level and offer more of a full picture package to business owners, including social media automations, text and email automations, and appointment setting to really drive leads, sales, and revenue for your clients. I have an entire video where I break down a simple automation that converts comments into appointments for small business owners. I'll link that video at the end so you can check it out next. Because remember that creating content is only half the value. Managing it is what brings it home for clients and makes it a service worth paying for. So here's a simple model you can start using today. Use Nano Banana to create content like we just talked about. Then upload that content into high level, which I'll show you how to do in a second, and schedule posts for your client's social accounts. Then bundle it and sell it as a monthly service. Now you're not just making images, you're offering content ideation, content creation, and content scheduling as a done-for-you service for any business owner. That's how you can make easy monthly recurring revenue from this as opposed to one-off projects or random social media gigs. And once you've set it up, it's easily repeatable for 1 client, 2 clients, 10 clients, 50 clients. The sky's the limit. And when it's all managed inside high level on autopilot, you're not just selling tools or a service, you're really selling outcomes. If this video helped you see how easy content creation can be with Nano Banana and how this can become a real service for businesses, then here are the next 3 steps for you. First, try creating your first carousel today. Second, try 1 infographic. And think about who you could do this for, because even 1 local business is enough to start. You don't need a brand and you don't need a big following. You just need a useful skill, and now you have one. If you want to learn more about how I am using AI tools to manage real clients, check these 2 videos coming up next, and I'll see you over there.